Hi everybody, this is Victoria, and as usual, let's talk about another wonderful product. So this is a one-sided tracing paper for marking of plates, tucks, darts, pockets, buttonholes, front closing, and for embroidery designs, and it's washable as you've seen there. And these are the specifications. And okay, let's open it up. These are the colors it comes in, so you pick whichever color you'd prefer to work with depending on your fabric color. So it comes in like 5 different colors, and right now I'll choose one to work with right now, because I always love to like show you guys mini tutorials so that when you're getting your items, you know what you're getting. Like you're not confused before you purchase. You need to be sure of what you want. So I'm gonna pick the red now to demonstrate. Okay, so let's assume this is your pattern. You've already drawn out your pattern. Well, not exactly this is like the very tiny form of it, but we all know the basic pattern, bodies and all whatnot. So what you need to do, you make the tracing sheet to be facing the fabric that you want to transfer the item or drawing on. Then you put your pattern paper on top of it. You can either use the tracing wheel to trace out the parts or the lines that you want directly on your fabric. You use either this or biro for it, and you could also draw directly on top the tracing paper. So if you're into embroidery and all, you can either just sketch out whatever you want to work with, and it's going to transfer on the fabric that you want. So this is me using the tracing paper. The tracing wheel for it shows, as you can see, and you could also use a biro or pencil depending on what you're using to draw your pattern. To trace it out, it's still going to transfer, and when you're done, you can wash it off. So this is very useful for all those darts areas, the pocket areas that you really want to be specific where you want to place your pockets or your buttonholes. So shop this. Thank you.